You just got your new VPR in our premium ProBox. Here's how to build it. Reference these timestamps to skip ahead if needed. Start by opening one side of the box using box cutters or scissors. You'll see there are instructions for new bike day and 2 handles on the inner box. Remove the 2 boxes under the handlebars, which include all of your small parts, hydration system, QBox, and owner's manual. If the arrow extensions on your handlebars were unattached from the bike for shipping, follow these steps. If not, skip ahead. Use scissors to remove all zip ties that hold the extensions. Locate the bag with rubber grommets, 8 screws, and arrow bar pads. Notice the grid pattern and adjust to your preferred riding position. Use 4 screws on each extension and torque to 5 Nm. Lift the wire and place rubber grommet snug into the extension. Then attach the arrow bar pad to the Velcro. Repeat on the other side. Next, use scissors to cut all zip ties or packaging that came on the bike. Within the small parts bag, locate the 6mm through axle tool. Then use it to remove the front through axle from the fork. Remove the seat post and saddle by lifting the front of the bike up and sliding the seat post out. If you have a Shimano Di2 build, locate your Di2 tool. Slide the wires into the tool, then plug each wire into the 3 holes on the bottom of the seat post. Ensure that you hear a click for each connection. To charge Di2, locate your Di2 charger that will be in your small parts bag. Open the latch on the back of the derailleur and attach cable with cable pointed upwards. Make sure that it clicks in place. To install the seat post, first locate your seat post wedge. Start sliding the seat post down and be careful to not pinch the wires. Use the 4mm bit on the torque wrench to torque it to 6 to 8 Nm. Next, locate the 6mm bit for the torque wrench, again to remove your rear through axle. To install the rear wheel, line the smallest gear on the cassette up with the chain. Gently pull back on the rear derailleur and line the rotor up in between the brake caliper until it slides in. Then tighten down with the 6mm through axle tool found in your small parts bag. To install the front wheel, line the rotor up with the center of the brake pads in the brake caliper until it slides into place. Then slide the front through axle through the fork and wheel and tighten with the tool. Now that we've got the wheels on, we can install the QBox found in one of your small parts boxes. Remove the lid first, then align the box with the tracks on the frame and slide it down. To put the top back on, squeeze the 2 tabs on the outside and line it up with the box until it clicks. Locate the front hydration system. Then locate the beak under the handlebars and line it up with the tracks on the inside of the hydration system. You'll hear a click when it is correctly installed. Before we get to riding, check all torque specs, tire pressure, and attachments before going out. To learn more about your VPR, check us out at quintanarutry.com.